drenched.
Hi, everybody. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Okay. Listen to this. I know I'm videoing. This is the sirens going off, and it's golf ball size hail. See that? That's the sirens. And see? And I'm so stupid to be standing out here in the hail, but what the heck, it's for YouTube. See? This is lightning and hail and everything else. And that's the sirens you hear. Sirens are going off violently. And I'm so stupid to be standing out here, but what the heck? Look at that. Oh my God. See that? What's up there? See the lightning? Yes, this is, and there was a tornado just formed a couple minutes ago. Well, I hope that doesn't happen again. After being out here seeing that. Sorry I didn't record that, the tornado, but anyway, this is okay to record right here, I guess. See? And that's the tornado signs. And I think they just stopped. Yeah, you know what? I can hear them from a back distance. Look at that. Oh, you just missed it all. Okay, everybody. That's golf ball size hail you're hearing. See, and it's hitting me. Look at that. Look at this. It's starting to slow down. Oh, I'm glad I caught that one on tape. Look at that, it's getting worse. The hail part. Okay. So, I'll do it when I get done recording here. If you just saw that, that was good. I got that on tape. This is to show the people, and also some of my relatives. I was meaning to show this. Some of our relatives will probably see this. Okay, it's just getting more wimpier now. Hang on a minute, there's something very odd up there. Okay, it's slowing down. And I'm glad I caught that. Whoa! I'm about to drop the iPod. Okay, so, for now. So, for now, bye.